Hello everyone, welcome to this petite world. I have decided to go for a road trip with my friends. I will be exploring few parts of South Australia for 10 days. So first I'm going from Adelaide to Mount Gambier and I will be visiting few places on the way, and after that we are going Kangaroo Island and visiting few places. I will be posting everyday journey of my trip on the YouTube and I'll keep you updated. See you.
Today is the first day of our trip from Adelaide to Mount Gambier. We visited Mount Lofty Botanic Garden, which was on the way. I was mesmerized by the greenery of Mount Lofty Botanic Garden. Everywhere it was green, calm and peaceful. We went for a walk around the pond and clicked some pictures for my Instagram. If you are in Adelaide or if you are planning to visit Adelaide, then this place will be in your bucket list. We spent 1.5 hours in Mount Lofty Botanic Garden. After that, we headed towards our next destination. After driving for 1 hour from Mount Lofty Botanic Garden, we arrived at Monarto Safari Park. We were lucky that day because weather was really good. It was just perfect. There were some volunteers on the gate who gave us some information regarding the safari tours. It was really busy that day. We need to wait for a long time to get into the bus. But at the end, all that wait was worth it. After that beautiful safari trip, we headed towards Murray Bridge and stayed overnight. I was really enjoying and could not wait for the next day of our trip. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.